Did you know that Google has a scholarly side? Welcome to a 2-minute tutorial on finding academic resources in Google. Google Scholar has the simple, stripped-down interface of Google Search, but with a difference. All of the search results come from a subset of the larger Google database, limited to scholarly articles, books, and conference presentations. Before entering a search term, try this pro tip. Go into the hamburger menu in the upper left and click on Settings. Then choose Library Links and enter Miami University. Click the box next to Miami University Libraries. This will make the MU Libraries Find It feature show up in your search results. Now that's the what, but here's the why. When you search Google Scholar, about 25% of the items you find will be freely available to you, but the remaining 75% of items will ask you to pay a fee to see the full article. With the MU Libraries Find It engaged, you can click on that option to see if Miami University already has access to the article, saving you from paying for it. Your tuition dollars are already at work in our full-text journal subscriptions. Don't pay twice for an article. Now, when you see your results in Google Scholar, you can limit them by publication date or sort them by date. They are automatically sorted by relevance, so the more complex your search statement, the better your results will be. You can always add an additional term or phrase into the search to reduce your results. You can click on the title of the item to see more information or the full text, or click on those MU Libraries Find It links on the right side. Now, another nice feature in Google Scholar is the ability to see a citation for the item. Just click the quotes icon. Google Scholar is a great way to search broadly across thousands of publications to find information on your topic. Give it a try when you are starting your search to find out if your topic idea is even out there, or if you have trouble finding enough information in our other databases. I like to use it to discover synonyms or useful phrases related to my topic that I can use in other searches. See you at the library!